Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Microsoft is testing a new integration of Copilot directly into the new tab page in Microsoft Edge. This new feature merges traditional web search with Copilot generative chat capabilities, aiming to offer a more seamless and immediate browsing experience. The feature is hidden behind the flags and is available in Edge version 137 in Canary. To enable it, in the address bar, copy-paste this flag address. This will open the experimental flag page and highlight the required feature flag, that is ntp-composer. Using the drop-down, change the setting from default to enabled and then restart the browser. After restarting, every new tab you open in Edge will show you the Copilot interface, giving you quick access to its feature. As of now, the feature is not working and searching a query opened the Bing search. It offers three modes as of now: default, search and navigate, and chat. To give you an idea how this will work after the features start working, let's open Copilot in Edge. Now you can see both has same interface, and if you perform any search using the Copilot in the new tab page, this is how your query will be answered within the Copilot search window. You will also find the source of the information which you can access by clicking the link. It seems like good move in right direction, but integration of Copilot in sidebar of Edge and new tab page in future doesn't make any sense to me. So what is your opinion on this integration? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.